Hello students, my name is Sohil Yadav and welcome to CH Edgemakers. Today we will discuss JIPMAT 2025 analysis. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं. So first let's discuss selection procedure for IIM Jammu. There are two components. First is your JIPMAT paper score, which comprises of 95% weightage, and second is the gender diversity, जो कि होना भी चाहिए, which is of 5%. दिस इज द सेक्शनल कट ऑफ कैटेगरी वाइज. आप वीडियो पॉज करके इसे आराम से देख सकते हैं. एंड एज फार एज इनटेक इज कंसर्न फॉर IIM जम्मू देर आर 140. नाउ लेट्स कम टू IIM बोधगया. ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ JIPMAT scores, merit list will be prepared and the intake for IIM बोधगया is 120. The JIPMAT paper is same as the last year. Likewise, there are three sections. One is QA, second one is DLR, and third is your verbal ability. In QA, there were 33 questions and the total marks awarded was 132. In DLR, there were 33 questions and the total marks awarded is again 132. In VA, there were 34 questions and the total marks awarded is 136. The marking scheme was same as last year, +4 for the correct ones and -1 for the wrong answers. And the time for the paper is 150 minutes, 2.5 hours. Now let's discuss section wise analysis. In QA sections, the questions were based on quadratic equations, trigonometry, ratio and proportion, simple interest, compound interest, time in work, indices and surds, simplifications, triangles, circle, percentage. There were questions on profit and loss, 1 or 2 questions on average, 3 or 4 questions on number theory, and 1 or 2 questions on probability. In fact, one of the questions of probability was same as the last year. 3 or 4 questions on mensuration. As compared to the last year, QA was on a slighter moderate level as compared to the last year. Ideal attempt were 31. Now let's discuss section wise analysis for DLR. In DLR, questions were based on, in DI only, there were questions on pie chart and bar graph. Total 6 questions were asked from DI. One set of pie chart, 3 questions, and another set of bar graph, again of 3 questions. Rest questions were from LR, and the topics were coding, decoding, direction sense, blood relation, circular arrangement. 2 questions were asked. One was on water image and the another one was on mirror image. 1 question was asked from dice. There were 1 or 2 questions from matrix arrangement. Again, few questions were asked on number series, 1 question from clock, and again 2 questions from Venn diagram. The ideal number of attempts is 32. DLR was easy as compared to the last year. Now let's discuss section wise analysis for verbal ability. The interesting part in this year was there were only 1 RC with 3 questions and the level was moderate. There were questions from parajumbles with options, idioms and phrases, error finding, find odd words. There were questions of antonyms and synonyms. There were questions of foreign words, spelling questions, that too very easy, 1 word substitution, cloze test, and analogies. Again, VA section was easier as compared to the last year. The ideal attempt is 33. The overall cutoff for this year is expected to be 320 plus. Thank you. See you all till next video. Till then, keep studying.